What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be unboxing the Nest Thermostat. Now, this one I have is in the color snow, but it also comes in charcoal, sand, and fog. Now, this was given to me about 6 months ago. I started about a year and a half ago renovating, doing renovation projects on my home. Life happened, all kinds of things happened. I had to abandon that, so I'm just now getting back to where I can start doing things around my home. I just did one of my bathrooms, got it remodeled, and now moving on to little stuff like this. But this is my first smart thermostat, I guess you can call this. So I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'll come back later on and make a video about what I think about it and how it's working for my home. So this, you can control your heating and your cooling. Works with the 24-volt system. It is Energy Star certified. It's made out of recycled plastic. Now you can control this from anywhere with your Google Home app, Nest, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. This does not have a touchscreen, so I think it runs about $120 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But this one was given to me, so here's the packaging. And I know these have been out a long time, but I just wanted to unbox it in case somebody like me that not familiar with these is even as long as they've been out. But you got a picture of the device right there. You got the Google Nest, works with the 24 system, like I said, 24 volt, including gas, electric, oil, forced air, variable speed, heat pump, and radiant. Right there, and it tells you where you can go and check out if it's compatible with your system. Right there, this side, proven energy saving features, easy to install, set up, and use, control anywhere with the Google Home app. And then here's the back of it. I've already cut the tape. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, I just have the traditional thermostat. I did have one of the big ones that it was electronic, touch screen and all that. We decided to get rid of that and just go back to just the regular old buttons. So this is going to be something nice to have. All right, so sign up for Google Home app right here. Some paperwork here, literature. You get these little stickers to put on your wall. You're going to get your thermostat, your base plate, and your screws right there. And then you got some instructions here. It's going to let you know some stuff here. Make the most of your new thermostat. Give you some product information right there. Here's the back of it. Telling you how to get into the different modes and stuff here. Right there. That's going to be useful. Shouldn't be too bad using this. Then you got your safety warranty information here. And then here's the unit. It has a mirror front on it. As you guys see, the G logo there, the Google logo. I think this peels off, yeah. So that is not part of the display there, guys. That was a sticker. Very small, tiny, comes with two batteries there. And you got your connection prongs right there. It's very nice, very small. See what else is in the packaging. So also in the packaging, you're gonna get your plate, your mounting plate right here. As you guys see, it does have a level in there, bubble level. This is where your wires are going to attach. And these stickers here you put on your wall, your wires that are in your wall, so you don't forget where they go. But they're labeled here for yellow, common, white, green, red, things like that. But this is your mounting plate. So you mount that on the wall, and then you take and attach it like that. I'm not going to do that, and I think the only thing left in here is your two screws to mount it to the wall. And let's see, yeah, that is it. I'm not going to take those out, but that is it right there. Now, I do have a relative. He does this type of work. He's going to go ahead and install this for me. Doesn't look like it's too hard. I probably could do it as well. Now, this is not touchscreen, but there's a touch-sensitive area over here. And I think if I took these batteries out and removed the plastic, the display would come on. So let's try that. But to get this Oh, that one doesn't have any plastic on it there. So let's try this one, maybe this side. Well, no plastic there, so let's see if it comes on, or you need to, yeah, there it is. There it is, guys, there, as you guys see. There's the display coming on. Now, I won't be able to do anything too much to this as far as setting it. It says continue to set up right there. And you probably need, I think I need the app to continue this. But yeah, there's how it's going to look right there. But after I get this set up and installed on the wall, I'll come back and let you guys connect it to my unit as well. I'll come back and give my opinion on it, and maybe go through the app and stuff like that and tell you what I think about it. But here it is, the Google Nest Thermostat. Pretty cool device here for me. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.